It is a wonder drug because it is an ideal germ killer. It has no toxic effect. It has no toxic effect on the cells. And it has no toxic effect on the cells, and is 3 times stronger, and is 3 times stronger than chemical antiseptics, than chemical antiseptic like carbolic acid. Because it is an ideal germ killer. It has